Welcome. My name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex Global. I'll be looking at the market analysis for the week, for this coming week, being from the 8th of May 2023 to the 12th of May 2023. But before we go on, let me remind you that CJ Forex is not a broker company, but we recommend regulated broker. So if you are using if you log into your client dashboard, you need a regulated broker starting from the synthetic and FX market. Once you click here, you see all the recommended broker by CJ Forex Global. Don't forget that CJ Forex is now on a Play Store. We have our app. You can download our app on a Google Play Store. We are working on the Apple Play Store. So once you are coming here, if you want to download to your laptop, the app, you can automatically click here. It will direct you to where to download. Or if you are using your phone, just go to Google Play Store, type CJFX Global. You will see it, you download it, okay? Our company is mostly focused on training people on how to become profitable trader. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner, you are an old trader. What we have mostly focused is teaching you how to make money, because the extent of you being in the FX market is to make money. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to be getting updates on what is happening in CJ Forex Global. So these are what we offer in CJ Forex. We offer training. You can see it if you want to enroll into our academy. We offer basic, intermediate, advanced, pro, and apprentice and masters. So on this aspect, if you are coming as a beginner, you start with basic. If you are coming as an old trader, start with intermediate. Everything that you need to make you a profitable trader is in our academy. So I would advise you to enroll into our academy. Our academy is the best and the smartest academy in the FX market industry. We also offer robots. We own our best robot. Our robots are in different ranges. If you are interested, once you click here, you will see different ranges and their prices. We have cash flow strategy. For those of you who need a good strategy that can be making good profit for you, you can get our cash flow strategy to help you navigate the market in your own favor. We also offer price alert indicator. Many people are using price alert indicator, especially people that owns forex industry, forex school that provide signal, and some individuals that want to be trading and making good profit. Price alert indicator will be giving you good alert, good signal, telling you where to buy, where to set your stop loss, take profit, and other things. We also offer account management, okay? For those of you who want to manage your account, maybe you are busy, you don't have time, or maybe you are scared of trading, you subscribe for account management. Once you click here, you see all the necessary requirements and you subscribe to it if you are capable. Then our VPS, we provide signal. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Signal on currency, on volatility, boom, crash, all the assets you so desire. CJ Forex provides accurate signal on that. If you are interested, click on it, subscribe for a monthly subscription or lifetime subscription. Let's go straight to the point why we are doing this particular video. Now, we are going to be looking at the weekly analysis on different asset class. Welcome. Today, we are going to be looking at we'll start with the FX market. We will be starting with DXY. What is going to happen in DXY? But before we go on with what is going to happen this week, let us look at what happened last week and look at it very well. If you look very well, the market, the bearish market, that means the bears are not showing any sign of giving up, even if they are at a point where they want to give up, but they are not willing to give up. And you are seeing very well that the bulls are not even willing to push the market up. That shows that the bulls are not even strong enough to take the market down, and the bears are not willing to take. Remember last week, I told you that the market will continue selling, which it did sold and sold to this. And I told you that here is going to be your targeted TP. And you will see the market will surely get to this place and even break down to this place. So this week, we should be expecting that dollar is going to be weaker and keep getting weaker. But don't forget, if you're a student of CJ Forex, you are probably going to look at some certain setup that is going to give you the opportunity to start selling in the market. So, but the general market overview for this coming week, we are going to enter is going to be a sell. So this week, prepare for a sell opportunity. Don't look out for a buy opportunity. Although at the beginning of the week, you experience some little bit bullish move, but it will end up going down. Okay, so know that DXY is simply dollar index, and dollar index simply means pairing dollar with other assets. So this week, if DXY is going to fall, that means dollar is going to be weak this week. Let us look at Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, we will still looking at Euro GBP. British pounds is still going to gain strength against Euro because there is still going to be a more move on the British pounds. And you look at what happened last week. Yes, although the market was fiercely tested the resistance level and fell down, even closed with a bearish candle. And there was no support here to even say, okay, this is the reason why this support. But at least it has touched the first TP, just like I predicted last week. It has touched the first TP. So we are looking at the market making a little bit move. That means it will first of all make a bullish move before falling down again to this point. So expect the at the beginning of the week, the British pound might even show a little bit weak, but before the week ends, it will continue selling again because the British pound is gaining momentum this coming week we are entering. So whatever you are doing, look for a sell opportunity on Euro British pounds. Okay, so let us look at Euro USD. On Euro USD, we still expect the euro, despite that we know that euro is weak, and although US dollar is weak, so euro will drag US dollar continuously up. So expect a bullish move on Euro USD. But if you are a student of CJ Forex, you know what needs to be set before you can look out for opportunity to buy on Euro USD. But the general aspect of this is buy. So if you are to buy at Euro USD, this year, here is going to be your first TP, okay, before you consider here. So your first TP is going to be here, okay. Now let us look at where is we didn't I didn't bring. Let me bring the Euro GBP USD. Okay, on GBP USD, let's look at, we have looked at Euro USD. So let's look at GBP USD, what GBP USD is going to look like this coming week we are entering. Look very well. You see that GBP gained momentum and it closed above this. So what we are looking at is that the GBP pairs, British pound still going to rise. So it will literally fall down to this level. Okay, either here or here, but we expect here. Okay, so there is going to be a bullish continuation. The market is still going to rise, and if it's going to rise, it finally breaks close above here. That means then your next targeted TP is going to be here. Let's look at the monthly resistance level. So although the market is at the weekly, monthly level, but it's still going to go up. Okay, the market is continuously going to rise. So where we should be targeting is here, because if okay, we're still expecting the market to continue rising to this point. So what we are looking at, yes, we spotted that the market was closed with a smaller body, but look at the rejected swing. The market is still going to buy this coming week, so expect a bullish move on GBP USD this coming week we are entering. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably should know where is the right place to look out for a buy opportunity. Okay, so let's look at USD card. On USD card, what are we looking at? Let me look at this. Now, if you look at what happened last week, did you see what happened last week? Markets showed a bearish improvement. Okay, that means the bears, we are gaining more momentum. So what we are looking at is that the market is still going to continue to sell, but it will need to pull back, to pull up to this level, okay? It needs to go up to gather strength from the resistance level and start falling down. But expect a market the general market move is going to be a sell market. So you should look out for a sell opportunity in this aspect, okay? So look out for a sell opportunity, and your first TP is going to be here. The low of last week is going to be your net targeted take profit, okay? So you look out for a sell opportunity before you now use yourself. But here it should do. So the market is probably going to rise from the beginning of the week, or maybe from Tuesday. It will rise, touches this resistance before falling down, okay? So the market general move is going to be a sell because dollar is weak and US dollar is going to so this is your expected TP. Here is going to be your expected TP, but because of last week, you are going to use here your first TP and here your second TP, but expect a general move on a sell direction. So USCHF, the same thing. You see, the market has already touched here, so it needs to test there and start falling down. So expect this is your first TP and this is your second TP. So expect a sell move on USD CHF. On Australian USD, Australian USD is going to be buying, okay? So, but at the beginning of the week, it's going to make a bearish move before going up. So expect a buying market on Australian USD. GBP JPY, on GBP JPY, the same thing. GBP JPY is strong, so the market is probably going to fall down to this level. It's going to fall down to this level before making up. But here is going to be your first TP. This is your second TP. Then let's look at GBP CHF. On GBP CHF, the same thing. Anything GBP is going to be bullish because GBP is still having momentum to continue buying. Okay. Let us look at it now. You see that the GBP is still going to rise. It's going to rise. It's continuously going to rise. So you look out for a buy opportunity on GBP. So like we are saying, anything GBP pairs is going to be bullish. So expect a bullish move on GBP GBP CHF. Okay, on GBP CHF, expect a bullish move. On GBP CAD, we are expecting the market to fall down a little bit before going up, but the general market is going to be buying. We expect a buy market on GBP CAD. So if you're a student of CJ4, you probably know what the market is going to, but expect that the market is going to fall down and still continue buy. So here is going to be your first TP. Oh, but for those of you who want to still make the sell between Monday, Tuesday, you can get a sell, but from Thursday, Friday, from Wednesday, Thursday, might start buying. So expect a buy market, but the general market target is here. So it's going to be here, it's going to be your take profit one, and here it's going to be your take profit two. And on crude, we're expecting crude to buy this coming week. So it's going to first of all fall down to test the support level and start moving up. So expect a buy move on crude. On gold, we are expecting gold to make a bullish move. So market is going to fall down to touch the support level, weekly support level, before heading up. So expect a buying market on gold. Expect a buying market on gold. Okay. So let's go straight to synthetic assets. We are going to only cover on V75, and that's it. If you are interested in enrolling to our academy, it will help you to become a successful forex trader. So let's look at this. So on the synthetic asset, this is what we expect on synthetic assets. Let me close this trade first, so before I can delete. Yes, I want to close before I do analysis, confirm my analysis. Okay. Okay, now let's look at what happened last week. If you look at last week, on synthetic on V75, if you look at what happened last week, there was an indecision between the buyers and sellers, but this particular week shows a bullish weakness. If you look at it, compare these two, you see that the bulls show weakness in the buying side. So that means that the market is probably heading down to this particular level. If it's going to touch here, that means it will probably touch here because this support and this support is quite closer. But if you are selling, you should be using here as your targeted take profit. So what we are going to look at is that the market is going to do like this, it's going to go up to this level. So here is your C. Here at the beginning of the week, it will go up to this level. That's what I'm looking at. So what he's trying to do now is trying to do like this to go up to this level. It's trying to use this support place to rise to this level. Then when it rises to this level, it will then start falling down, okay, to meet up the weekly. You see, this is what he's trying to do. So, you know, if you put it like this, you will not see it clear. So, okay, this is what he's trying to do. You want to use here, you want to get to this place, fall down again, okay? But here is going to be the target. If it probably closer, yeah, it might even head down to this place. But here has been tested, so this is our targeted take profit. But for the longer view, the market is generally going to be buying. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. I hope you have gained knowledge on this weekly market analysis. I recommend you and I acknowledge you to enroll into our academy, because when you enroll into our academy, you will learn how to do analysis like a professional and also be making profit for yourself, becoming a free person. But if you keep saying, oh, I will not, I will keep losing, you keep running from one group to another looking for good signal. But why can't you be your own signal provider? Don't forget to enroll into our academy. Don't forget to subscribe to our cash flow strategy. Don't always forget to subscribe to our robot and also subscribe for our account management, subscribe for cash flow strategy, subscribe for our signal group. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. Don't forget to click the subscription button on our YouTube to always give you the opportunity to get updates on CJ Forex. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Don't always forget about good message can never make good people, but good decision. Make the right decision and save your future. Have a nice day.